Hello friends, welcome to our channel AutomationLab-VKS. In this channel, we have uploaded our new Excel utility named BankVoucher Tally. With this Excel utility, we can import all bank transactions directly into Tally Prime. For that, we have to follow the instructions as described in the Excel sheet named Instruction to Use and follow steps 1 to 7. After that, we will get all the bank transactions directly into Tally Prime. For that, first run Tally Prime as administrator and open the same company as was selected in our Excel utility. Here, the company opened in both Tally Prime and Excel utility is Demo Company Private Limited. Second, we have downloaded the bank statement from the bank website for the period April 2025 to December 25 of Demo Company Private Limited. Third, in the Excel utility Bank Data Sheet, enter the name of the bank exactly as in Tally Prime and the name should be same in both. Fourth, we have to copy and paste the Union Bank statement data directly into the Excel utility sheet from the Union Bank statement. Fifth, to get the bank transaction data into the Excel sheet bank data, we have to press the icon named UBI Bank Data. By pressing the icon, all data will be successfully received in the bank data sheet from the Union Bank statement sheet. Sixth, to get all ledgers in the Excel utility, we now press the icon Tally Ledger and now we get all ledgers created in Tally fetched successfully in the All Ledgers sheet. Seventh, now we map the relevant ledger from the drop-down list in column E of the bank data sheet. Here we can copy and paste the cell to do easy mapping by sorting column D using the autofilter. Now map all the ledgers according to the relevant column D table until all ledgers are properly selected. At last, sort column A using autofilter for running sequence and check that all ledgers are properly selected in each row. At last, to post all bank transactions, press the icon named Generate XML and wait. Excel will check whether the same company is opened in Tally Prime. After successful checking, the Excel utility will save the BankVoucher.xml file in the path. And this file can be manually imported into Tally Prime. Now Excel utility has checked all rows and all vouchers have been created by Excel utility and all bank transactions have been successfully recorded in Tally Prime. Now check Tally and see that all bank transactions have been successfully recorded in the respective bank account with narration. Thank you for watching. If you like this, please share and subscribe to our channel. If you want this Excel utility, please email or WhatsApp on our mobile number given in the description. Thank you.